What's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is she tried seducing the police, man. She tried to put that little riz on them, that sauce, you know what I mean? You know, hopefully she don't go to jail, or will she? Let's get into it, man.
A drunk female stripper complicates things when officers respond to a call about possible domestic violence.
And she on that pole?
It's my door. Shut my door. No, I can shut my door.
Ma'am, what's your name?
We're not going to be playing this game.
I can shut my door. It's
Okay.
my legal residence.
Next. Okay. I don't know that. You're not giving us an ID.
My name is Courtney.
C-O-U-R.
R-T-N-E-Y. This is my legal residence. I've done nothing illegal. I've done nothing wrong.
The officer now notices a very prominent bruise on the suspect's arm.
What have I done?
What's that bruise on your arm from?
Exactly.
The bruise on the back of your arm?
I'm a stripper. I'm a dancer. I'm a legal dancer. I have danced for 2 years of my life.
Okay.
I dance.
What's the bruise from?
I dance.
What's the bruise on your arm?
I dance. I strip down a pole. I drop down a 12-foot
The scratches there are not from a...
Yeah, they are. They're from dropping down a pole.
Maybe bruising.
No, this is
but not the
my
scratches.
residence. No, I'm
And what
sorry.
about the scratches on your
Sorry.
wrist? No, please don't touch me.
Sorry, what? This is my residence.
You've already lied to me.
About what?
Saying you're the only one here. So how do I believe that this is your residence?
Okay, where's your search warrant?
In these
No,
circumstances, you don't need a search.
Go to the magistrate. Go to the magistrate. Get your search warrant. No. Go to the magistrate.
Yeah, we're not leaving right now.
You're not. You're gonna get your.
No. You
have
touch me again, I'm going to arrest you.
Try me.
No, try me. Touch me again and I'm going to arrest you.
Hey, there is somebody.
Thank you. Is she being insane?
Yes, she is. It's
No, I'm
illegal.
not.
Come out.
No, he's not. No,
Step
you're fine.
over.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Why?
Come out.
Why? Why? No, I want to hear the reasons why.
Because we got a complaint of a male
Why?
and female arguing, a female
Why?
yelling to stop. You've already lied to us, and now he's coming out. So stop. I have no idea who you are.
I have
and
had
you're
no
trying to tell
female
me.
complaints
Okay, come
on no. No, I can say who I am. No. Get out of my house! Hey! Get out of my f***ing house! Get out of my house!
Sit on the couch now.
At this moment, the officer searching the room finds multiple other people in the room.
Record this. This is illegal. This is illegal.
Courtney.
This is illegal. This is illegal. This is illegal. I will say this over and over.
Okay.
Stop or you're getting tased.
All right.
3, 2.
Hey, chill in my apartment, yo. Yo, I got you on the bail money, bro. I made $700 last night. Fuck them. Shut up. Nobody cares what you do. Serve and protect. Okay, taste me. Okay, what you gonna do? Take that. And I'm gonna scream. Okay.
Oh yeah, she donkey kicked me. Yeah.
I live here.
Happy Easter.
How'd you get it? Happy Easter. Can you explain the charges? Why?
Yeah, battery on law enforcement officer. You tried to kick me. Well, when you did kick me, when the door got open, it was here. We were here for an investigation to see who was yelling on the balcony.
Why?
For an investigation. There was a male and a female.
Nobody asked for an investigation.
You don't have to ask for an investigation. That's not how an investigation works.
That is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. With the magistrate, yes, it is. There has to be a search warrant issued at my place of residence.
You stick to dancing, I'll stick to doing the law.
Hey, I like that.
I'm 110% drunk.
I couldn't tell.
I love you all. I'm sorry. Stay in my apartment until I get back. Just sleep, love me, and sleep. These motherfuckers.
Courtney, sit back down.
I'm not sitting down until you make me. What are you gonna do? Tase me? Tase me. I wanna get tased. I wanna feel it. I have no feeling in my body. Tase me. No? You don't wanna?
Stop. 5-1. We were trying to reach you earlier, but your subject pick didn't come back with a Virginia DL. What is her full middle
They're like, no.
Hey, okay. Courtney, what's your middle name? Ann?
What is my middle name, Daddy? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Courtney just twerked multiple times and fell forward on her face, causing a laceration on her chin, which is where the blood came from.
What did she hit?
My chin, you dumbass.
Let me get that other name again.
She was twerking and fell forward.
You want to lay her down?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll lay down. What are you gonna do? I did nothing wrong.
You want to stand her up? I got her chin.
Yep. Come on, Courtney.
No, you're not.
Stand up.
No, I'm not.
You want your slippers?
You can pick them up.
Get them real.
Pick them up. No, you can pick them up. No, I'm saying right. You can pick them up.
You got to pay. He's
Pick
got one more.
them up. Pick my slippers up. Like all that buddy, you shut the f up, you stupid ass bitch. Like what the f? Shut the f up. You get the government to pay your fucking rent. Shut up. My mother lives on the fucking government. It doesn't fucking matter. You stupid ass fucking bitch. I hate you both and what you fucking both time.
Okay. Do my best. She's not very compliant.
I have been very quiet. I've laid in the hallway for an hour, you stupid ass bitch. I have been very fucking compliant. I don't have a fucking car, you bitch.
We're not taking you in your car.
I don't give a fuck. You're a fucking asshole.
You got all the blood out of your mouth? That's not nice. We're trying to make your chin stop bleeding, okay?
No, you're not. You're just being
This is-
assholes.
She did the same thing to me. So we got battery on Leo ×2.
I can't read you too much static.
Let's get out of the middle of the road.
Christ.
Flip her over to the car.
Oh my God, stop walking me.
You want to drag you?
Drag me, baby. What are you gonna do, tase me? What am I doing wrong?
Aside from being obnoxious?
Well, how are we getting her to the hospital? You guys want to put her in? You want to put her in a wagon? Or you want
We called fire to at least wrap her chin up, and then I'll take her to the hospital. You stand her up for a second.
No, f you. I approve. I cannot leave. These are not bruises from
Okay.
hurt.
Hey, look up. Look up. Look up.
No, no.
No, we're Evac's gonna take her. She's still bleeding pretty good.
Courtney, stop. We're not going to take a picture anymore, okay?
Yeah, I got the camera away. Come on, sit back on the hood.
Come on. It's cold out here. Just sit on the hood.
I don't care. No.
You have a hobble?
Oh, I do. I got shackles too.
She already kicked 2 people.
Yeah.
Why are you gonna make them shackle me? You're a f***ing bitch.
Nobody shackled.
Yes, you just said we have to shackle her. You're a f***ing bitch. Yes, you did. I just heard you.
just sit her on the ground, man?
Take a seat.
All right, take a seat.
No, you're a f***ing asshole. No, I'm not taking a seat. F you. No. Try him. No. You're a f***ing bitch. You're both f***ing bitches. You're all fucking
Wrap her up.
I was never issued a fucking warrant in my place. I want to see a warrant for my place.
Honestly, where's her father? That's what I want to know. Where is her father? You know, the problem is a lot of these women that participate in, let's say, explicit activities as a means of income, you know, OnlyFans or, you know, anything that's dealing with the adult industry, they're damaged. A lot of times they're damaged goods, you know what I mean? And that's what they turn to. And she clearly has some substance abuse problems, you know, all these different things. And honestly, she just needs a hug from her father. Like, I feel like that's what she needs. Like, she just needs a hug from her father. Where is her father? Oh my goodness. Like, man, if I had a daughter, man, I would be scared, bro. Because it's like with children, it's like you could teach them everything that you want to teach them or whatever the case, right? You could instill the best things in them that you possible, right? But they're gonna go off into the world, they're gonna go off into school and get into their own friend groups or whatever and become their own person. It's just like you just hope and pray that they turn out, you've done enough for them to turn out, you know, on the straight and narrow. This one here, she got a long road ahead of her.
Now!
You open the door.
No, I want to see the warrant now. I want to see the warrant now issued by the magistrate. I want to see it now.
Stop pinching me, damn.
Where's the warrant, bro?
Courtney, stop.
Where's the warrant? Where's the warrant? Where's the f***ing warrant? I'll say that over and over until you all lose your f***ing batches.
There is no warrant.
Yeah, why? Why is there no f***ing warrant?
Because we don't need one.
In my place of f***ing living.
You open the door.
I did not open the door.
Yeah, you did.
Where's the f***ing warrant?
Are you pinching my partner again? Stop. Hey, we got the fire department coming to check out your
I
chin.
don't care. Where the fire department? Where's my f***ing warrant?
Put your legs down, Courtney.
Oh no. Oh no.
Only thing she good for, man.
Daddy's shackling my wrist and my ankles. Oh no. What will I ever do, Daddy?
Come on, Courtney, let's go. Stand up.
Can I have my slippers, you f***ing piece
Yeah.
of shit?
We can.
My ankles are literally f***ing locked.
Okay.
So fix them. Fix them. Fix them. Fix them. No, 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 no. I've been saying.
Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch your head.
No, I'm not. I'm not.
Watch your head.
No, I'm not. No, f***ing piece of shit.
Enough's enough. Enough's enough.
I'll meet you over there at the hospital.
Man, where's your blood at?
Oh, I got blood. No, this is my biggest problem. Yeah, I ripped my pants open.
Nice. And all that for none of that
Nothing.
even needed to have.
No shit.
All the other 4 that were inside, not the 2 that were outside, but the other 4
Yeah.
were nice as could be. Super cooperative. They were nice. No issues with them at all. It was really this idiot and the other one.
Did they say that she had a confrontation with anybody?
No.
I mean, she's all
pretty much
bruised
what
up.
I got was, yeah, I know. She was all bruised up. She's got cuts on her wrist. Like, those look more self-inflicted, but she's got scrapes down her
She got
arms and
bruised
stuff,
look like
bruising,
somebody, yeah.
Which I get. You're a stripper. That's fine. Maybe that's how you get it. I get it. But what are you scraping your arm on? So, but she was just unreasonable to even talk to at all.
Oh, yeah.
Apparently, according to the other 4 that were in the room, that was Courtney's apartment, according to them, and that all of them were invited there by Courtney. So, according to them, none of them are her boyfriends. So there was no domestic relationship between them. The way I got it was that they were all just friends. They were all invited there, and they have no idea why she was lying, saying that they weren't there. I mean,
But they were also the ones that went and hid. So,
yes. Yeah.
After being transported to the hospital, Courtney doesn't let up with her behavior.
Come on out. Courtney, we gotta come out. We're at the hospital. Come on, we're gonna get your chin looked at. You can't leave it like that. All you need to do is come on out and have a seat. That's all you need to do.
Fucking God. Is that all I have to do?
All you have to do is sit in
I
this chair.
just in my apartment. I live there. Like,
Okay, I need you to step on out, Courtney.
please let go of me.
I have no problem with that, but you need to come and sit down.
Dad, shut the fuck up.
Have a seat.
Shut the fuck up.
Ma'am, do you have anything on you that's gonna hurt me?
No, ma'am, I don't have anything on. I'm gonna stick you, poke you, hurt you, or anything. Shut the fuck up. My name is Courtney. No,
everything
put
is
that in my lap. No, put that in my lap. Put my collar in my lap.
You are under arrest. You don't make these decisions.
Put my collar in my lap.
Everything will be in your property.
No, I don't.
Okay. Everything's on camera, Courtney.
Collar.
It went right inside your property bag.
My collar in my lap. You guys took me out of my apartment.
Actually, you stepped out.
No,
and
I
then we took
didn't.
you.
No.
Because of the way you're acting. And the fact that you started kicking officers.
No, I was not issued a search warrant.
That's
I was
not how
not
this
issued.
works.
I don't care. I was not issued a warrant. Give me my collar. Give me my collar back. Put it in my lap.
It'll stay with us.
No, I don't believe you guys. No, I had money taken by you guys before. What's your name? Give me your full government name right now.
Michael Catalano.
Michael Catalano. No. I want to hear it. No, I'm sorry, ma'am. I literally have blood all over me. Give my collar and my watch. Oh, you son of a...
It's on my ear. If you, someone can take a pic, don't touch it. Take a picture of it. And we're gonna charge her with it.
Yeah, are you?
Son of a. Get it. Somebody take a picture of it and get.
Yo, boy, she lucky she outside, boy. Cause I'm gonna tell you right now, if that happened inside of a prison, if that happened, I'm gonna tell you exactly what would happen. If that happened inside of a prison or whatever, right? She would have spit. It would have been instant. Oh, not even a, oh, what? It's super lit. Cops, I feel bad. The cops, they can't. Yeah, y'all out in public. You know what I'm saying? If she would have got, if the cop would have hit her back, everybody would be up in an uproar. They'll forget that she just got spit on, right? But they'll be in an uproar and say, oh, police brutality. You know what I'm saying? Like, listen, hell nah, bruh. You spit on, oh no. Disgusting, that is foul. She is damaged goods, I'm telling you.
It off me.
Just watch her chin, because that's what we're here for.
I'm not trying to touch it.
I got you.
I got her by the jaw. Jesus. Got it?
You're right. Yeah, I think I got
All
it.
right.
It's just...
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Courtney was charged with resisting and 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer. She is in.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.